Assalamualaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing, Maths of Playgroup. Dear students, today we are going to learn shapes. The triangle. Look at triangle. It has three straight sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and its three corners too. Look here. This is traffic sign and it's look like a triangle. प्यारे बच्चों, ट्रैफिक साइन की शेप बिल्कुल ट्रायंगल की तरह है because it has three corners. This is samosa. Yummy. And this samosa also a triangle because it has three equal corners. Dear students, आपको पेज नंबर 7 पर बहुत से ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाई दे रहे होंगे एक्टिविटी नंबर 2 में. So now let's find which object is a triangle. Pick the triangle shaped object from the given objects. This is a TV. It is a square. Other one is ball and it's like a round shape. It's not a triangle. This is look like triangle because this is a triangle ruler or it has three corners and three sides equally. Other one is samosa. Yummy. And it's look like triangle. Next one is dashboard. And it's look like a sphere, not triangle. तो प्यारे बच्चों हम क्या करेंगे? ट्रायंगल शेप पर टिक के निशान लगाएंगे. इसमें समोसा और ट्रायंगल रोलर मौजूद है.